Forewarn weather with Damian Lotus.
Severe weather continues here across the state of Oklahoma. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch that extends until midnight this evening and tonight for some parts of the state. Let's get you ready for the latest here. I'll start you off with a look at those current watches and warnings. Severe thunderstorm watch continues until midnight for all of these counties right here highlighted in blue. Oklahoma County was included in this about 30 minutes ago, but now that the storms are continuing to push their way off to the east and to the southeast, these northern counties are slowly being trimmed off this watch right now. And here's the latest with our storm scanner. One severe thunderstorm warning continues for far northeastern Oklahoma. The rest of these storms are packing a pretty good punch, but overall not severe. And we have our storm tracker Eric Dixon near McLeod right now tracking the strongest storm near the metro. So Eric, it does look like the storms are slowly looking like they are weakening. So give me an update on what you're seeing.
That's right, Damian. I was off on I-40 here. The storm was kind of hugging I-40, but it's just shrinking in size there. And, it's kind of the trend. They've been kind of pulse up, pulse down. And when they pulse down, they kind of gust out. And they've been had those 50-mile-an-hour winds that have caused a little bit of, minor damage out in there. Had a little bit of power flash in Shawnee, but, it caused a small power outage out there. But hopefully things are starting to trend down. It appears that way. I'm heading south on 102 towards Bethel Acres right now, and we'll keep you forewarned. Damian?
All right, Eric, thanks so much. So Eric was talking about the power flashes. Strong winds were the primary risk here this evening, but as we head into the overnight hours, over the next couple of hours, it primarily looks like flooding rainfall can be an issue here as we head into tonight. Here's the latest. The storms popped up right around 5 o'clock northwest of the Oklahoma City metro. Around 6 o'clock is when they really started to get going, and now they're continuing to push the way off to the east and to the southeast. Strong storms continue here across the Oklahoma City metro. Small hail, strong winds, and flooding rainfall will be the primary risks. But as we head into the next couple of hours, it's still going to be the strong winds we're watching out. These are the max confirmed wind gusts across the Oklahoma City metro. We had a 51-mile-an-hour wind gust confirmed in Yukon, a 46-mile-an-hour wind gust in El Reno, and a 49-mile-an-hour wind gust confirmed in Shawnee. So we've had multiple reports of down power lines, down fences, so wind damage is still going to be extensive as we head into tonight. Here's the latest on the strongest storm that I was tracking that we have Eric Dixon on. It's pushing into Shawnee right now. It does look like it's slowly starting to dissipate. There still will be some brief heavy downpours with flooding rainfall potentially as we head into tonight. The strongest storm here off to our south and off to our southwest is just now clearing Highway 81 between Rush Springs, Marlow, and Duncan. The overall storm motion is going to be off to the east and to the southeast, moving about 20 to 30 miles an hour. And we still have some pretty heavy rainfall across southwestern parts of the state. The good news is most of the parts of the state that have been bone dry and the drought's been getting worse is getting some much needed rainfall. So that's some good news. But across northern and northwestern Oklahoma, we are starting to clear out right now as that cold front continues to drift its way across the state, just now clearing central Oklahoma. And here's a time lapse from our climb up camera of the storms moving through the metro. They popped up around 5 o'clock during that afternoon drive and dumped a lot of water here. Much needed rainfall for the Oklahoma City metro. And on the other end of town, these are the time lapses of the storms pushing across the metro. And you can just see those walls of water passing across the Oklahoma City metro. So future track radar showing that by 10, 11 o'clock tonight, most of the storms are going to work their way out of the state off to the east. We will see some lingering shower and thunderstorm chances as we head into tonight, but overall the severe threat will slowly start to dissipate. For your 7-day forecast, overnight lows will dip into the 60s, a mild start for your early Wednesday morning. Lots of sunshine for tomorrow with highs in the 90s. It does look like we will still see some triple digits on Thursday. And then as we head into the weekend, more rainfall chances Sunday into Monday. And then I'm tracking a couple of cold fronts that are really going to bring us a big cool down. In fact, as the Oklahoma State Fair gets here next Thursday, take a look at that. Highs in the 70s. Lows in the 50s. Some parts of Oklahoma will see lows in the 40s. So for everyone out there, I'm just going to say this, for everyone out there wanting the cooler, more fall-like weather, it finally looks like you're going to get your chance, but you're just going to have to wait until next week.
I mean, that's crazy. Going from 100 this week, I mean, going to 70s next week. I get to break out the hoodies and the sweatpants, Damian.
Right.
It's going to be a fun week. I'm going to enjoy it.